doing today?
I gotta fix my things.
What things?
I don't know, my brakes.
What? Oh, yeah. What's up, guys? It's Brendo ST here at the shop with Easy Nighthawk and our buddy Edgar's taking a shit, I think.
He's peed.
Oh, that's not cool enough.
You got alcohol?
Oh, yeah. I just cleaned the Ego Beast.
The slow beast?
Yeah, it's slow. Don't worry, it won't be for long. Yeah, for long.
It'll be pretty slow still.
Yeah. But
And we're doing brakes.
we're doing brakes.
On my
You noticed
girlfriend's van.
Beamer's not here. Tim, what's going on with that?
They're at the shop. It should be done this week.
Yeah,
Then
big
it'll be
turbo.
speedy as
How
fuck.
big of a turbo?
65 millimeter.
65 mil. Shit.
Ball bearing.
Good. Yeah, I'm just here. I'm gonna do my oil change while I'm here. It's starting to warm up outside.
videos.
Yeah, YouTube videos. Hi, Edgar.
Hi.
What do you drive out here?
Honda S2000.
They've seen it.
That's slow.
They've seen it.
Slow.
Does it work now though?
Yeah.
This guy's new engine in it.
It moved on its own power.
It's oh shit. He's good to go.
Get your new clutch in there too and everything?
I gotta dry this thing. I'm gonna clean the interior, do my oil change. We're gonna do the brakes on Tim's girlfriend's van, and then yeah, it's gonna be a fun little day. Shut the fuck up.
Brandon, you doing these brakes?
I don't know. Yeah, there's two pistons.
So it's the heavy duty brakes.
Fucking minivan. God, it looks so beautiful when it's dry. Look at the reflection. What's under here? Oh yeah, the Daytona.
Charger.
What's under there?
Trans Am.
Oh yeah. Ah, that hurt. It broke in my hand.
Can I sit down now? Or?
No, you're not allowed to. You gotta stay. Oh shit, I didn't dry the front. Oops. I gotta get back to work. Finish drying and wiping. Oh, Tim's making a video too. Yeah. Now about that YouTube life. You'd get so many followers, you know that? You have a beautiful car. All you gotta do is talk to your phone like you're talking to a person.
Well, I don't have time to fucking like edit the videos and stuff.
It's extremely difficult. I don't do it. I just throw them
So
on.
you just throw them
I
on, see, no.
my best edited video was that street scene video.
Yeah, but see, like, you see how long it takes to edit.
Yeah, that took me like a fucking day.
Yeah, see?
And I barely did anything to it. All you did was add music and like chop it up in places.
Yeah, see, no, it's.
Did you watch that video?
I did. I watched it.
Yeah, you're a part of it. You're in it.
Yeah, that's why I don't do YouTube videos. One, I don't have time. Two, I don't have time.
Looking at the
So, and
I
I
wonder if I
hate
can
the
take
sound
that
of my
off.
voice, so that's why.
No, you got a good voice. It's a beautiful voice.
That's what.
Hi guys.
Are you gonna like mod your like your fucking your baby queen? What's this thing called? Baby cam?
My stroller?
Stroller? Yeah, are you gonna like mod it or something?
We're gonna mod the stroller. Hell yeah.
You're gonna, like,
Lower the stroller. Put a turbo on
hammer
it.
it out.
Hold on. We got port injection here. We'll put a fuel pump on
You
it.
can, like, fucking-
No, we got meth. We put meth injection on it.
No, that's what you got. You can put like spacers on it to like handle.
Spacers, some big,
Yeah.
big ass.
Get some offset.
You gotta put some fucking
Oh my god.
something. Oh look, cam or crank. What's that doing there? Fuck, man, that was a pain in the ass. Don't you just put that on there? You need brake cleaner. Hashtag fucking rusted,
Spray it with brake cleaner?
rusted fucking rotor that took a half hour to get off. No, don't spray that with brake cleaner.
Why?
I mean, guess. Spray the rotor with brake cleaner.
Sure, you got more than one can, right?
I have like 10 cans of it.
You're not gonna use one can. Like,
You use one can per wheel. Isn't that the rule? Where's my alcohol? Don't spray it on that. I'm sitting there. Put it on the wheel. Put it on the car backwards.
or put it on the.
Put it on the car backwards.
Oh.
Spray it. And then flip it over with the edge of your hands. That way you don't touch it. And you get both sides.
You
Leon.
learned that on YouTube?
I learned it from Leon.
You learned it from where?
Leon.
Oh.
Well, I can say you're doing your own brakes. Something you've never thought you've ever done in your entire life. Because you don't work on cars. Because people do it. Like me. I like to try to work on my cars, but I honestly don't know what I'm doing half the time. So all my how-to videos on my SP, I kind of just, that was me figuring it out and then doing it.
Yeah, that nice new brake.
There you go. Alright, gotta push the caliper now.
Okay, now we gotta figure out how to push the
Brakes.
caliper.
Brake cleaner, now we
Left
gotta
me all alone. Tim actually left me in the shop by myself. This has never happened before. Shit. I'm just getting ready to clean the interior, and I have to do my oil change still. We finally got one wheel done on the van. We still got 3 more to go. That took like an hour for just one. But now that we know what we're doing, it should go pretty easy. They just went back to AutoZone to pick up some more rotors for the rear. Because why not? I guess we're doing the rear ones now too. But back to this wonderful thing. I'm hoping by the end of the month, this is April of 2018, I will have my downpipe back, catless downpipe. And I'm going to hope to get the CP intake and the CP intercooler very shortly after that. And then I'm going to do the CPE charge pipes, the hot size charge pipe, and then I'm going to do the tile blow off valve exhale kit. And that will bring me back to what, stage 3, Cobb stage 3, or whatever the hell company wants to call it, stage 3. A lot of people don't like the word stage. They start laughing when you hear stages, but that's what it's referred to as, so that's what I'm calling it. It is stage 3. It will be stage 3 once again. Yes, I know. I was sad when I brought it back to stock and realized how much power it actually lost. I mean, the car's fun stock, but it's no stage 3. And I had an E30 tune from Dead Hook Motorsports. Oh, that was such a nice tune. Unfortunately, I can't use that file anymore. Just because of updates and all that shit. So that's going to be dead in the wind. As of right now, I have a stratified flash tune for my stage 1. And then I might go with stratified again for the time being until I decide what I'm doing with my turbo options and if I'm going to do big turbo or not. I really want to, but at the same time, I kind of want to get a truck and a old classic project car or something like that. But who knows? Undecided. As of right now, I have to keep this car for at least another 1.5 to 2 years. So it'll probably come to the point where I'm like, this is not enough, and then I'll buy the turbo anyway, because that's always what happens. But if I do get the turbo, we're going with the 3076R. It's going to be a massive thing all the way down there. Massive for this car, at least. That's going to probably take like an hour to spool, but that's what I want. I want to hear it spooling. I want it like to have that Supra feel, like you just hear it. This is like a jet engine taking off from afar, and then you get just all of a sudden this monstrous amount of power. But I mean, not practical for daily driving, but it'll be fun for me. It's not like I'm gonna keep dragging this car. It's just I'm asking for something to break when I go to the drag strip. I'd rather do track driving, but that's not really practical for that either. I don't know. I don't know what I really want to do with the car. I'm undecided, I guess. I do kind of like that roll racing feel. I like high speed torque. Yeah. But I'm going to finish cleaning this. I'm going to do my oil change. We're going to get back to the van. And then we're going to do other things I don't know. Probably drink some more alcohol. You know, fun old time. It's always fun in this garage. Unfortunately, we won't have it for much longer, because it's actually owned by Tim's father, and he's getting rid of it. So we won't have the access to this, but that's fine. We'll find a new place, a new facility to do our fun things, and we'll be able to do that. More fun things. More cars. More friends with cars. We're going to make these channels grow. With your help, we will make them grow into awesome car channels. That's what we want. We want to provide entertainment and have fun doing it ourselves. That's what's left of the van. It exploded. No, we just traded cars. Now what do we gotta do? What'd you break?
These things fucking got broken off. I don't know what. Someone tried to break into it or what.
Broke off? Or are they... No, it's not broken. It's just unscrewed. That's his ass. We'll figure it out. This has just gotten...
Things that go in it.
Oh. Huh. Yeah.
We got one of them. I don't know if the other one's in here. I'm assuming it is.
It better be. tonneau cover. It goes in like that, and then screws on. Like something like that. See when it's under here? Like that. So your wallet's there. But yeah, I just finished cleaning the car. I'm just gonna close everything up. It's kind of the end. Finishing up, fixing one more thing, and then we're good. We're done for the night. And then we gotta clean because there's a mess at Rust. So everybody, thanks for watching. If you want more videos, like, subscribe. Definitely gonna have more car part installs coming soon. Tim's Beamer will be done soon, so check out his channel. He's the Nighthawk. That thing's gonna be an insane monster when it's done. And that's it. This thing will be an insane monster too when I get my big turbo. But for now, bye.